Welcome to today's Java tutorial on our channel, and today's topic is exception handling using try, catch, and finally, explained in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Let's first understand what an exception is. An exception is an error that occurs while a program is running. Unlike compile time errors, which are detected before execution, exceptions happen during execution and can cause the program to stop suddenly if they are not handled properly. Exceptions can occur for many reasons. For example, a user may enter wrong input, a program may try to divide a number by 0, a required file might not be found, or the program may try to access an array index that does not exist. So why should we handle exceptions? Exception handling helps prevent program crashes, allows us to display meaningful error messages to the user, and ensures that the remaining part of the program continues to run smoothly. A real-life example of exception handling is an ATM machine. If a transaction fails, the machine shows an error message instead of shutting down completely. This is exactly how exception handling works in Java. In Java, errors are mainly of two types: compile time errors and runtime errors. Runtime errors are also known as exceptions, and these are the ones we handle using exception handling. Some common Java exceptions include arithmetic exception, which occurs when dividing by 0, null pointer exception, which occurs when accessing a null object, and array index out-of-bounds exception, which occurs when accessing an invalid array index. Now let's understand the try-catch concept. The try block contains code that may cause an exception. The catch block handles the exception if it occurs. This way, the program does not crash. The basic syntax of try-catch includes a try block followed by a catch block that catches the exception using an exception object. For example, when dividing a number by 0 inside a try block, Java throws an arithmetic exception. The catch block catches this exception and prints a friendly message like, "cannot divide by 0." Because the exception is handled, the program continues to run normally instead of stopping abruptly. Java also allows multiple catch blocks. This is useful when different types of exceptions need to be handled differently. Each catch block can handle a specific exception type. For example, one catch block can handle arithmetic exception, while another catch block handles general exceptions. Next comes the finally block. The finally block always executes, whether an exception occurs or not. It is mainly used for cleanup tasks like closing files or releasing resources. Even if an exception occurs, the code inside the finally block will always run, ensuring that the program ends safely. Java provides an exception object, usually named E, which contains details about the error. Using E, getMessage helps us display the exact error message. Now let's talk about the throws keyword. The throws keyword is used to pass an exception to the calling method instead of handling it immediately. This is commonly used in file handling and input-output operations. For example, a method that reads a file may declare throws IOException to inform the caller that an exception might occur. Exception handling is very important when working with user input, file handling, and network operations, where errors are common and unpredictable. To summarize, the try block contains risky code, the catch block handles errors, and the finally block always executes. Exception handling makes Java programs safer, more reliable, and user-friendly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Keep practicing and happy coding.